A blinking green light on your Rogers Ignite modem indicates it's struggling to connect to Rogers' network. This usually means a registration or signal issue. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug your modem for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. While it restarts, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure and undamaged. Use the My Rogers app to check for any reported outages in your area. If the light persists after the modem restarts, the problem might be more complex, like a network outage or a firmware glitch. If power cycling and cable checks don't resolve the blinking green light, check for firmware updates. Rogers usually pushes them automatically, but you can manually check the modem's web interface at 192.168.0.1. If updates don't help, perform a factory reset using the pinhole button on the modem. Refer to your modem's manual for the exact location and procedure. For persistent issues, especially after outages, contact Rogers support. Be prepared for potential wait times for technician visits. If you're in a rural area, signal boosters or amplifiers might be necessary to resolve the blinking green light issue. Be aware of potential scams. Always use official Rogers contact channels to avoid fraudulent services.